Hello, my name is Lynn and you are welcome to Cooking with Efia. Today I share with you this delicious fried rice recipe. You will love this recipe so much, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. First of all, I'll begin by cooking my rice. So to a big pot, I'll go in with some water. I'll go in with some dark soya sauce. Next, I'll also go in with some cooking oil, a little bit of salt to taste, and I'll go in with some washed rice. Use any rice of your choice, okay? Moving forward, I'll go in with some homemade curry powder. You can also use turmeric powder if that is what you have, okay? I have the recipe for the curry powder on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. I'll give it a good mix. You need to take for salt as well. Cover it and allow it to cook until the rice is nice and ready. Remember to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. And after about 10 minutes, this is how the rice looks like. It's turning out so good. I just love the color. So I'll give it a good mix and be gentle with the stirring as well, because we don't want to lose the beauty of the grains as well. At this point, I'll create hole in the rice just the way you see it on your screens right now, because I really want the vapor to pass through the rice so that it will cook very easily and very nice as well. So now let's cover it and let it cook until it's nice and ready. And whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the rice for the last time, and as you can see, it looks very soft and ready. So I'll allow this rice to cool down completely before I use it. And whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and heat up some cooking oil. For this recipe, you can also use any cooking oil of your choice, okay? I'll go in with some chopped onions, and for the protein as well, use any protein of choice. It doesn't necessarily mean you should use sausages as well, okay? So I will fry it for about 1 minute, and I also go in with some chicken seasoning. This will help the sausage taste very nice as well. So now let's fry this on low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it should be ready. While that is going on, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe. Don't forget as well to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first person to be notified anytime I post new videos on this channel. Do subscribe because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so as you can see, the sausage is nice and well fried. It's a little bit crispy, and that's how I want it to be. I will remove it from the pan and set it aside. In that same pot, I'll go in with some cooking oil, carrots, spring onions, and green pepper. And also I'll go in with some cabbage as well. I'll stir very well and allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. I don't really love soft veggies, so if you want yours to become a little bit soft, then you need to fry for about 5 minutes and it should be perfect. And mind you, I'm doing this on low medium heat. To season these veggies, I'll go in with some garlic ginger paste, which will definitely add good flavors to these veggies very well. I will stir very well and allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes, and it should be ready. You can also use any vegetable of your choice. Alright, so now the veggies is nice and very soft, so I'll go in with the sausages. Next, I'll also go in with the cooked rice as well. I will stir everything together very nicely, and I'll add in a little bit of seasoning to it as well. And for the seasoning, you can use any seasoning of your choice. I use chicken seasoning for this fried rice recipe, and it is so good if you want to try this. Alright, so now let's stir everything well and allow the veggies and everything to incorporate very well with the rice. Alright, so our restaurant style fried rice is ready. And just let me know in the comment section what you think about this fried rice recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. I paired this with some salad and also some chicken wings. You will love this, so you need to try this fried rice recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.